How to remove subscription option on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram and then tap on your profile icon. If you have already enabled subscription, along with this edit profile and share profile, you will get an option of subscription. Simply tap on it. Since I do not have that enabled that subscription option, I cannot exactly show you. But if you simply tap on that subscription option, you will be able to see your plans, your rates, and also you will have an option of removing subscription. So simply tap on that button and you will be able to remove subscription on your Instagram account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.